In this video, we're going to be replacing the passenger side headlight on the 2013 Hyundai Elantra. The process should be the same on the driver's side. All right, we're going to start up in this back corner and work our way forward. We have a 12mm bolt here. We'll take that out now. As we move down, we have two 10mm, also Phillips. But to avoid stripping them out, we'll use the 10. Across the front here, we're going to take out these clips so we can pull the panel forward a little bit. They're Phillips head. You don't want to press down while you're doing these. Just let the tool do the work and pull upwards a little. It'll allow them to back out. If you put pressure on there, nothing's going to happen. If you go lightly, they'll back out. All right, so now that we have this front panel freed up, our three headlight bolts out, we're going to take our electrical connections off. One back here, just press the clip, pull backwards on the plug. Okay. What we're going to do is grab your headlight from here and pull forward. I'll pull this forward just a little bit. Now, from the front, grab underneath your headlight and rotate up. You'll feel it pop free. Now you're going to work it out from here in the back corner. We'll slide forward, remove your headlight. What you're working to get free are these two clips here. These are what are holding in your headlight in your vehicle. So again, pull forward, rotate out. All right, so we're going to install our new headlight. Installation is going to be very close to the removal, except there won't be any rotation. So what you're going to do is line up your back corner, get that into your fender, and then you're going to line up this area here, put this underneath the bracket. Also, we're going to take caution up here. We're just going to pull our bumper forward just a little bit. Give us a little bit more room. See, the headlight will just kind of drop in there. Then you're going to come to a point where you're still out, but you're stuck. This is the point where you're just going to push it in, even pressure. You're going to lock those two clips in on the bottom. Give it a little backwards tug, and you're in. Go ahead and plug in our electrical connection. And we can put our bolts back in. All right, so we're going to start back here with our 12mm bolt. I'm going to swap out to a 10mm for the other two. And then we'll go across the front and put our push clips back in place. All right, now we can reinstall our clips. These are just pushed back in place.
This is going to be a general tutorial on how to aim your brand new TRQ headlamp assemblies. Okay, so looking at your brand new TRQ headlamp assembly, you're going to see where your low beam is, and you'll see a little dot right in the center. And that is the axis point, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to mark that with an erasable marker, just so it's easier to see. Next, what we need to do is measure from the level ground up to this point and take note of that measurement. Now we're just going to pull the car up to our wall. On our vehicle, we remember that the measurement was 28 inches for our access point. Your vehicle may be different, but that's where I'm going to put this tape, just above that 28 inches. We'll do the same on the other side. Okay, so let's just back the vehicle up, straight back 25 feet from the wall. And now that we moved our vehicle 25 feet back from the wall, we're going to start with our measurement here. That's where the headlamp center is. We're going to go down 4 inches on the driver's side. On the passenger side, we have our line here. What we need to do is go down 2 inches. To adjust the driver's side, we're going to cover our passenger side headlamp. If you look at the back side of your headlamp assembly, you're going to see something that looks like this. This is the adjustment. Some of these headlight assemblies have 1, 2, or even more of them, but you should at least have 1. This is how we're going to adjust the headlight beam. Now we're going to lower the top part of the beam down to just below this line. When you turn the adjustment to the right, it brings the beam up, and if you turn it to the left, it'll bring the headlight beam down. And this is this way on most vehicles. Let's continue on to doing the passenger side. All right, we properly aligned our TRQ headlamp assemblies. Okay, and on the quality TRQ headlamps for a pickup truck, the procedure is going to be the same. You're going to find your center dot, mark it, and then you'll measure from the level ground up to your dot. So once your headlamps are properly adjusted, it'll be time to adjust your fog lamps. You'll notice on the driver's side, the focal point is all the way at the bottom right now. I would like to bring it up so it meets up with approximately the bottom of the focal point of the headlight. Some fog lamps have an adjuster, others don't. The ones that do have an adjuster, you would just turn the adjustment to the left or to the right to adjust the beam up and down to where it needs to be. Now with your TRQ headlamps and fog lamps properly aligned, you can drive down the road safely.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.